There are a lot of things that you need to learn in order to succeed here on YouTube. I uploaded my first video 7 months ago here on YouTube, and I've had to learn a lot of things through trial and errors. Honestly, I wish that someone would have just told me all these things in the very beginning when I started my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be sharing everything that I've learned on this video so that you guys that are watching can learn from my experience. Also, if you have any question towards the ends of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button to stay connected to my YouTube channel, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis that can actually help you to grow your own YouTube channel. Alright, let's get right to it. The first thing that I had to learn the hard way is that YouTube success is actually a long-term thing and not a short-term thing. So you can't come to YouTube with an expectation that in just 2 months or 3 months you are going to blow up and go viral. It doesn't work that way anymore. So when you come on YouTube, you need to have this expectation that okay, it might take 1 year, it might take 2 years or 3 years before you actually go viral here on YouTube, because it's actually harder now for YouTube to push more channels due to high competition. The second lesson is to always focus on your present wins, because that's what is going to keep you motivated when you start second guessing yourself and comparing yourself to creators that are doing better than you. Because trust me, it's going to happen to you, because this happened to every single creator. And if you don't have anything that is motivating you in such a situation, before you know it, you just stop uploading videos on your YouTube channel. And this actually even happened to me every single time here on YouTube, because I've been on YouTube for about 7 months and I'm having just about 600 and something subscribers. But I've seen some other creators that have been on YouTube for a lesser time and they have already gotten monetized. So you can see. So this is going to happen to all creators. And the thing that is actually keeping me going is that when I look at my channel and I'm seeing that okay, some of my videos have actually gotten 2,000 views, 10,000 views, and so I will just feel like okay, people are actually watching my channel. Although I'm not there yet, but at least people are watching my channel. So that's what's keeping me motivated. So make sure you find something that is going to keep you motivated so you can keep uploading on your YouTube channel. Lesson number 3 is that you might know something but still not fully understand it here on YouTube. And what I'm actually talking about right now is the YouTube algorithm, because if you've watched a lot of my previous videos, you will definitely hear me talking about the YouTube algorithm all the time. But one thing you should know as a new YouTuber is that you cannot fully understand how the YouTube algorithm operates. Because why I'm saying this is because I myself now have been on YouTube for the past 7 months. I've been uploading good video, good quality, and stuff like that. I'm trying my best on all my videos. But sometimes I will go to my YouTube feed, I will see some creators that do not even have a setup that is like mine. Like they will just use a normal setup, normal video, and the video will not even hold a lot of value. But yet, before you know it, I'll be seeing 100,000 views on their videos. And up till now, I can't still explain how those people are getting 100,000 views or 200,000 views on their video that are not even better than mine. But me, I'm still stuck with getting low views. So you can see. So you can't totally understand the YouTube algorithm. All you can just keep doing is feeding it with a lot of data and a lot of videos, and hope that in the future your videos are going to start blowing up just like those other creators. Lesson number 4 is that you can't fully predict how your videos are going to perform here on YouTube. You can give your all to one video, like the thumbnail is going to be perfect, the intro is perfect, everything is perfect about that video, but still that video is going to flop. And then a video that you just do in a hurry, like everything is just rushed, the thumbnail is rushed, the scripting is rushed, every single thing is rushed, that video is just going to do well and beat your expectation. So that has actually happened to me a lot of times here on YouTube. So one thing I can say for a fact is that just keep making videos, keep uploading videos, and the videos that are going to do well are going to do well, because you can't fully predict the videos that are going to perform well on your YouTube channel. Lesson number 5 is that you should never delete any video that you've uploaded on your YouTube channel. The reason why I'm saying this is because it actually takes time for YouTube to understand what your video is all about, and they understand the right audience that are for that video. So sometimes you might just upload a video and the video in the beginning is going to flop, but fast forward to like 5 months later, you see that that video is going to pick up and start getting a lot of views. That have actually happened to me on my YouTube channel. There's one video that's actually uploaded on my YouTube channel. I think that video is about how to add subscribe animations on your YouTube video. I think the first couple of months that video didn't get up to even 500 views. But if you have to check out that video on my YouTube channel now, it's having 2,400 views. So you can see what I'm saying. So make sure you do not ever delete any video on your YouTube channel, because you can never tell what is going to happen to that video a few months later. Lesson number 6 is that you should always celebrate your own milestones and achievements here on YouTube, instead of always being jealous of other creators that are doing better than you. Because the reason why I'm saying this is that if you keep being jealous of other creators, it's going to make you depressed, and before you know it, that might also lead to you stop uploading here on YouTube. Because when it comes to YouTube, you can't actually tell why these other creators are getting much more views than you. Sometimes it might actually be that okay, they have been here for years, so that's why they are able to get much more views than you. In some other situation, it might be that they have a team around them, like they have editors and a lot of people that are making sure that their videos are always doing well and getting a lot of views. Then in some other cases, those creators are actually just lucky. That's why they are getting a lot of views. So all you have to do is just focus on yourself, keep uploading more content, and keep celebrating yourself each and every milestone. Like if you are to upload a video and that video gets 500 views, celebrate it, be happy about it. If the video also get 1000 views, be happy about it, because it's only when you keep uploading and celebrating yourself that you keep growing, getting much more subscribers, and becoming better and bigger here on YouTube. Lesson 7 is that you should never focus on too many platforms at the same time. What I mean is a situation where creators they get selfish in the beginning of their content creation journey and they just want to be everywhere at the same time. Like you just newly started YouTube, or rather started your content creation journey, and you want to be on YouTube, you want to be on Instagram, Twitter, you just want to be everywhere, and that's not possible, because it's going to be very very stressful for you, and it's going to lead to you burning out and stop uploading content. Because this whole content creation journey, if it's like easy, a little bit easy, although it's not easy, but if it's a little bit easy for you to do, like you are focusing on one platform, you want to keep putting out videos. But when you want to like script a video and now you're already thinking about okay, you have to upload this video in like 7 different platforms, that's already stressful. And before you know it, you find it hard to be putting out content, because the steps that it takes for you to put out content is very hard. So it's going to make everything harder for you. So the best way to go about this is that you should focus on just 2 platforms, either it be Instagram and YouTube, or maybe Twitter and YouTube, TikTok and YouTube, stuff like that. Focus on that 2 platform and keep uploading a lot of content there. Then once you started seeing results, you can get a team around you, and then that team will take the stress off you. At least that time, once you shoot like 7 video for 1 week, your team will then edit the video and do the needful, and then upload it on all the different social media platforms. So that's the best way to go about it. Lesson number 8 is that you should always structure your video packaging, like the intro, the key points, the outro, the visuals, every single thing. Structure them on your scripting notepad, or rather on your scripting notebook. Because when you are doing this, you'll be able to see the video. Like it's more like you are visualizing the video, although you haven't even shot the video yet, but you'll be able to visualize the video through scripting before you actually put out that video. And this can be very, very good and very, very helpful to all creators. So make sure you are doing this. Okay, okay, okay. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it has been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I'm sure you're already seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.